Hey there, HR Rockers. Welcome to another Rapid HR tutorial. Today, we are diving into a super important topic the probation policies. We'll cover how to configure them, add employees, and set up some rules for evaluating their performance at the end of their probation period. So, buckle up and let's get started. First, log into your Rapid HR account. Head over to Organizations, Employees, and Probation. In the Probation Policy section, you can create the custom policies tailored to your company needs. Click on Add button, policy name, give it a name, the description, add a short summary, the duration type, months, weeks, or days. Pick any one, and the duration, how long should the probation last. Click the default option if you want this policy to apply automatically to all the new joiners. Once done, click on Submit. Made a mistake? No worries. To edit a policy, click the three dots next to the policies and select the edit and update the details and save it. Need to delete a policy? Click those three dots again and hit the delete. The app will ask for the confirmations because, let's be honest, we all change our mind sometimes, right? Want to add your employees to your probation? Click on the arrow or manage icon in the policy list and navigate to the Employees tab. Select the employee from the drop down list and click on the Add Employees to add them to the policy. Based on their date of joining and the policy duration, the system will automatically calculate their probation end date like a magic. Oops, added an employee by mistake? No biggie. Click on the three dots next to their name and hit the delete. And they are out. Head over to the Settings tab to configure the evaluation rules. Check the box Do you want to evaluate the employees to enable the evaluation process. Now set up the magic numbers. How many days before the probation ends should evaluation starts automatically? Just pick a number that makes sense, right? And now when should the evaluation be completed before the probation end date? Just give your manager enough time to decide it. Want to see their feedback? Check share probation feedback with the employees and keep things transparent. And just like that, you're all set. You created a probation policy, added employees, and configured the evaluation rules. Your HR game just leveled up. The actual probation evaluation process will be covered in the another video, so stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your HR buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome rapid HR tips. See you in the next one.